How's it going, everybody? Oliver here for iInfluence, and today we have an unboxing of a set of prescription glasses from $39glasses.com. Let's open this up. Let's see how they compare to my tried and trusty and faithful set of glasses that I'm wearing right now. And I'm going to tell you my honest opinion, what I think about these glasses, what I think about the frame, and are they possibly the right choice for you? All right, so let's open it up and I'll take you through everything that's inside the box. All right, I'm gonna go through this pretty quick, don't you worry. So it's gonna tell you what you ordered, your prescription, the type of lenses that you have, and the add-ons such as transitions, a thinner lens material, anti-reflective coating, all of which I ended up getting on this set of glasses, okay? The glasses are in here, but before I open this, you also get a cleaning cloth, and you get actually a little keychain screwdriver. So you're gonna have a little flathead, and you're gonna have a Phillips on the other side. I'm pretty familiar with these. And you even have like a little hex wrench on there. So putting to the side for right now. So let's get to what everybody wants to know about, which is the glasses themselves. All right, hey, look at that. I opened up right side up. All right, so on this set of glasses here, let me remind myself, for those of you that want to know what model this is the Oakdale Black Fade frame. And this is with my prescription. I'm about a -5 with some astigmatism. And these lenses have transitions. They also have a thin and light material, which I believe is polycarbonate. And then they also have the anti-reflective coating. All right, here we are. What do you guys think? First impressions. Now, I want to say something. When I ordered these glasses, I mentioned to the customer service agent, which was a person that did everything they could to get me these glasses exactly how I wanted them. And I want to mention that because I'm a big believer of the importance of customer service and, you know, servicing the needs of the customer, especially when it comes to prescription. When you know what you like, you're going to want to make sure that if you have to get another one of these things that you depend on day to day for your quality of sight and in turn your quality of life, because if you can't see good, it's going to affect your productivity, how safe you're able to drive, and just how much you're able to enjoy everything because you are perceiving everything with your eyes. You're looking through these things. And so I had a special request. I always require on my glasses a very specific base curve, which is essentially the curve on this front surface of the lens, okay? Now this is a special requirement that I have, and when I was looking to have these glasses made, I asked them, can you do that for me? I have this very specific need for my glasses, and luckily they said yes. And they went through the trouble of making my lenses exactly the way that I wanted it. And that is why I can look from side to side on these lenses and top to bottom, and I could tell you that these lenses are made to the specifications which I requested, because if they weren't, I would be able to see a lot more distortion. See, when you have a minus prescription, you have thickness on the edges, your center, the center of your lens is thinner than the outside. And so if it's not the way that my brain is used to receiving its image, right, receiving that signal through a lens, it would notice those kinds of changes. Something as simple as that. Most people wouldn't really notice it. I guess my brain is really just sensitive to that. I requested it, it came in, and it looks good. They're comfortable. I like the color. I like the black to crystal fade or black to smoke fade that it has on here. And the frames themselves, I got it, of course, because I have a big head, so I wanted one of the wider sizes that they have. And this size is a 54. The frame feels good. Look at the hinges on there. No flopping around, right? They're nice and tight, nice and secure. See how tight those hinges are? Look at that. They're not loose, they're not flopping around. And I could also put them on and just get to wearing them, get to using them day to day. And this is another thing that I really enjoy. I can tell that somebody went through the trouble to have these glasses fitting good and adjusted well so that by the time I put them on, they're straight. I don't feel like they're crooked. I don't feel like there's one lens closer to my face than the other. They just feel like I could put these on and get going. So my impression of these glasses and the service of $39glasses.com is this, that they have great customer service. Even before I got the glasses, they're willing to, make the glasses according to my needs. Now, because it says $39glasses.com, you may want to assume that that's how much the glasses would cost. The truth is, the frames are what cost $39, or at least that's like the average price that I saw on their website. Not all of them are actually $39. You do have some that are less, some that are more. And of course, as you're adding different lens options, such as thinner, lighter lenses, polycarbonate or high index, you're adding transitions and anti-reflective coating. Those kinds of things are gonna cost more. So for example, in the case of this set of glasses, the total for everything was just a little under $150. Overall, I think that $39glasses.com really does have a great service. I would highly recommend that you browse their website, take a look at the frame selection that they have. They have a lot of really nice frames to choose from. They have something even for a head size like mine. So if they got something for me, they probably have something for you. They probably got something for everybody. So definitely visit their website, $39glasses.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. The glasses feel good. There's not too much more to say. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments section below. I do my best to respond to everybody as quickly as I can. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to Eye Influence. On this channel, we have lots of information and resources to help you take care of the health of your eyes and the quality of your vision. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Oliver for Eye Influence. Have a wonderful day.